Hello family, how are you all doing? If you're coming across my video for the first time, this is Esther's Chronicles. This is what my area looks like in the morning, 5 minutes before 8 o'clock. This is what my area looks like. I just walked my son to school. He can walk to school alone, but I just thought to walk him to also have a feeling of what the weather is like. So yesterday when we were going to the church, I was also vlogging what the weather looks like. One thing about the snow is that it's super beautiful. Yeah, we are enjoying the beauty now, but I promised you for the next 1 to 2 weeks it will be always minus, because it will be terribly cold. When it's getting melted, that's when the cold starts. Today is already -7. Before you know it, it will start melting and it will be getting colder by the seconds. Anyway, having said that, today is Monday. I just thought to show you the beauty of nature and what my day is looking like just before 8 a.m. in the morning. Shout out to all the mothers that get to dress their kids to go to school. Shout out to them. So towards the ending of this vlog, you're going to be watching what our Sunday was like. How was your weekend? Let me know at the comment section. Mine was great. On Saturday I hosted an appreciation and Thanksgiving party of the Osina Food Mart. It's an Afro shop, but they thought to celebrate their customers, and I was the official host for the day. But before then, that Saturday, my day was unfolding really bad because my phone fell down, and then I had to go and change the display. But I was told that it would take 3 weeks before they could change it. So I said, let me play smart. I went and buy a new phone. I bought a new phone, but I couldn't transfer anything from my old phone. So I had to still go round and round to look for somewhere to fix the phone. Eventually I fixed the phone, and the rest is history. Talking about spending the money that you did not bargain for. But we thank God that there was money to spend in the first place. So I just decided to take a walk. My second son will be at home with me today because he's a little bit under the weather. I don't want him to go and still be having fun outside, because one thing about Switzerland is even if there's school like this, it doesn't stop them doing what they want to do. They will allow the children to play outside. They allow them to do whatever, and if you are not there to cover their body, anything can happen. So guys, let me leave you to enjoy the beautiful view of the snow yesterday morning while we were going to church. Please like this video and drop me a comment. Compliments of the season, wishing you all an amazing week ahead. God bless you. If you are coming across this video for the first time, please like it and subscribe to this channel. It's a happy place and a joyful zone. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Jesus. Out of the depths I called unto you, and in my fears I looked up to you. Out of the depths I called unto you, and in my feet, I looked up to you. Behold, my joy has come. Behold, I'm lifted high. I remember when I was just a little child, struggling to grow up. I remember when I was lonely, in tears all the way. I remember when all hope seems gone and I couldn't go on. I remember when I was praying and waiting every day. I've got victory from the only Son of God. I've got victory. Lower holiday, oh go. Reste, Baba, Ijesu. Jehovah, USA, 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 USA.